Have you ever found your videos completely out of order because the dates are wrong? Or maybe you've migrated files from one device to another and now the timestamps don't reflect when those precious memories were actually created. Don't worry, I've got the solution for you. In this video, I'll show you how to use a better find attribute to redate your videos quickly and simply. Let's be honest, videos just seem to have a life of their own. I am forever trying to explain why the creation date of someone's precious video is so out of whack. And if you're copying and pasting files all over the shop, those dates get wrong quickly. But there is a solution, a better find attributes. But I get it, this little tool can be a little bit mind-blowing. So I'm going to show you my simple workflow to find and change those video creation dates to the date they were captured. And stick around to the end to find out my video sorting top tip. What is a better find attributes? Before we get started, let me introduce you to this incredible tool. A better find attributes is a Mac-based application that allows you to modify file metadata, including creation and modification dates in bulk. It's especially useful for videos and photos that have incorrect timestamps, such as those downloaded from WhatsApp or transferred from older devices. With just a few clicks, you can ensure your videos are arranged in chronological order, making your library far easier to navigate. For example, if you've got holiday videos scattered across different folders with incorrect dates, this tool can help you fix them in one go. Step 1. Download and install. To start, download a better find attributes from the official website. Install the software and make sure your videos are saved in an accessible folder on your Mac. It's a paid-for app, but it offers a free trial so you can test it out before committing. Once installed, launch the app and we are ready to do some redating. Step 2. Add your video files. The next step is in the tool to load up your videos, which is as simple as a drag and drop. Simply drag and drop the videos you want to redate into the app window. You can add individual files or an entire folder. If everything hasn't loaded as you would expect, make sure that the process boxes at the bottom have only files, but also subfolders ticked. Step 3. Choose your date adjustment. Now let's set the correct dates for your videos, and this is where it can seem impossible. There is the option to manually change the dates of the videos if you know what they were, but with this nifty program, we can see if the original capture date of the video is there and use that as our creation date. So for the action, select Advanced Date Manipulation. Then for Use, select QuickTime/TIFF Creation Date, so that then the original QuickTime capture date will be used as the creation date, which is what we want. Step 5. Preview changes. Then look at our loaded window of files. The blue is what the date will be changed to, so you can see our capture date for the video is now going to be the creation date, so that when we look at the files in Finder, they will sort correctly. So have a good look to make sure you're happy. This ensures everything looks correct and avoids accidental errors. Step 6. Apply the changes. Once you're happy with the settings, click Perform Changes. The app will update the metadata for all your selected files instantly. Your videos will now have the correct creation and modification dates. Then just check the results. Open up the video library in Finder to confirm that the videos are now in the correct order. My top tip for organizing your videos. Now that your videos have the right dates, it's time to organize them. Create folders by year or event, such as 2023 family vacation or 2019 graduation. Move your redated files into these folders so your library is both chronological and easy to browse. But how do you do this? Well, check out the Big Meme Folder Machine. It will blow your mind with its automatic sorting. Find out about the Big Meme Folder Machine in this little video up here. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to redating your videos using a better find attributes. This tool is a must-have for anyone serious about organizing their digital memories. But what if you think you have a ton of duplicates in your photos? Well, then check out this little video next to find out about my favorite deduplication tools. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more photo and video organizing tips. Let me know in the comments if there's another tool or process you would love me to cover next. Have fun rediscovering your memories. I'll see you in my next video.